Hey, it's me, Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, water jets, lasers, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to go over a Wysong hydraulic press brake. These have been coming in and out of here for many, many years. They're very, very great heavy-duty machines, American-made. This particular one is a 6-foot, 60-ton, has a 3-stage ram. We'll show you some other machines. Sometimes they have a 2-stage ram, meaning the speeds. So what's going to happen is it's going to come down for a quick approach, a slow form, and a quick retreat. That's going to be your production speed of what you're looking for once you get everything set up. You've got your foot and your palm buttons. You can change your creep speed right here. Everything's really nice and clean on this machine. It's got a dual palm pedestal right here, as well as foot, and a manual back gauge. What that means is right here, you turn the back gauge, it's bringing it in and out. That's gonna set up for your stops. There's some nice little fingers or something somebody put on there to go ahead and allow you to make your stops. We got emergency stop button on the palm here. We'll go ahead and hit with our foot. You'll notice again, quick approach, slow forming, quick retreat. Slow form, quick retreat. Now we've been selling, as I say, these machines for a very long time. They're great machines. We're always looking for them, new or used or even older, doesn't matter what it looks like. We're here to help you, and we want to try and do some buying, selling, and trading with you. You can see we have other smaller machines. This is a very similar, same 60-ton. This is an AccuPress with a late model CNC controller. That's going to give you more options for your programming and your production. So really, depending on what you're looking for, you can see Amada with CNC controls in the background. We have a lot of different machines here in stock. We can walk you through the machine, make sure it's the right one for your production. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com for some great financing options, as well as all the information on our inventory. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.